On that. The way that I adjust the neck, or I guess any part of the spine, is based off of motion. So when I'm feeling through someone's neck, I'll almost kind of turn it. So if I adjust this right side first, I kind of go through each segment, C7, C6, C5, and all the way up. And for him, he's a little bit stuck at kind of like C6. And then the same thing on the other side. And this one is a little bit lower. I'd say more into that C7, T1 junction. Yeah. And then I'll kind of just go back through and make sure everything is moving how I want it to.